Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Aduni again, and today we are going to take my hair from this wet shrinking state to a more straightened out look. So I'm going to blow drying my hair. I just finished washing it and it has no product in it at all. It is still very much wet. So we're going to blow dry my hair together. I think this is the first time I am filming something like this on the channel, so I'm a bit excited to show you guys how I'll be going about that. So I am also going to be showing you guys how to do that using the Oraimo hand dryer. I have had this since last year, but I have not directly used it to blow dry my hair in its natural state. Like I have used it on other like extensions and other things. But today we are going to use it directly on my hair. So if you've been thinking about getting this particular product from Oraimo, then this video is for you to watch, and then you can finally decide if you want to get it or not. So it comes with this. I really wished that it came with the kind of add additional comb thing that is just easy for you to just like blow dry like this, but this is what it comes with. That kind of make it easier to blow dry your hair. But you're going to see what this can do. It has like three each regulation: 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it has this cool shot here, and this is actually very easy to just add on, and you can easily just pull it out. Right, so for my heat protector, I am going to be using this one to protect my hair, and it's also a leave-in spray. Also, because my hair is still like a very short hair, I'm not sure if I can part it, but let's see what we can do. Shrinkage is not anybody's mate. So I'm going to try to work in sections, right? You guys can see that it is still very wet. So for this part, I would go in with my leave-in spray. You actually need to apply your leave-in spray generously, because we are also trying to avoid its damage, right? So my hair dryer is plugged in, and use so because I don't want too much of it actually, I rarely blow dry my hair. So we're going to do this, then we'll move to the second one. So this is what I was saying, that I wished it came with a comb. If it had come with a comb, I won't need to go in like with an extra comb to help straighten it out, right? So can you see from two? So also I don't need it so straight, so I feel I'm just going to go in one more time and we'll be done with this section. So that's it for this section. Then we'll go over to another section. So of course there is a visible difference, but is it a 10 over 10 experience? No. So what would I be rating this hair dryer? I'll probably give it a rating of 7 over 10. I really, really wish that it has the comb thing at the tip. I really, really wish so, but it doesn't. So this is just like an aftercare for when I finish blow drying my hair. I am applying leave-in conditioner, then I'll apply oil to seal everything in. So if you like what you see and maybe you're thinking of getting the Oraimo smart dryer, I have a discount code that I will leave on the screen and also in the description box for you guys. But definitely all of this took me less than 30 minutes. Yes, it helped the process, so I will definitely be doing this again, also because I was being a bit very careful. I didn't use so much of it. So maybe if I had gone with like more heat and I had done it maybe line by line, it would have given me a better result. But I like what I see, and the only reason why I am rating this a 7 over 10 is because of the additional mouth extension that I wish it had. Aside from that, I particularly love the product. This is just coconut oil. Aside from that, I particularly love the product. I am going to put my hair into cornrow. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please click below, leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and yes, check the description box for the discount code if you want to get this Oraimo product, and I'll see you in my next video.